In this video, we'll explore the functionality located in the chart that's associated with the eOrders Vocabulary Phase 2 project. The Face Sheets section features a quick search icon next to certain history sections that makes it easier to add items to a patient's history. Just click on the magnifying glass icon, type in the first few letters of your search, and select the item from the drop-down list. The search pulls from the current listing for that section in the History and Habits wizard. If you don't find the item first time around, then try another phrase for the finding. Once the item loads beneath the section, click on the finding name to add your details. The information is updated at both the Face Sheet and the History and Habits wizard level. This function streamlines the process of adding patient information during the intake process. Flow sheets have added functionality to allow users to view medications, orders, as well as a link to the results document and a new unsigned results flow sheet. From the patient's face sheet, open a flow sheet by clicking on the name. When you click on a result, if there's a document associated, the result document link will appear in the top right-hand corner. If you're dealing with an unsigned result, remember that the result displays in italics. Click on the link to open and view the results document. Let's talk about the options at the bottom. Show Results gives you a different view of the data listed out by results description. Next, you can sign or close the note. If you're signing the document from this area, it will also drop off of your unsigned documents list on your desktop. Show Orders will open up a link to the order detail and allow you to take any needed actions on the order. Once you're finished, close the result document and you're returned to the flowsheet results level. If your flowsheet was designed to include medications, the patient's medications will be listed chronologically by the action on the med in the columns. The status displays in the field, and you can click on the entry to view the details on the medication for that date entry as needed. If you need to make any changes to a patient's medications, you'll still need to use the medications list or a notes plan section for the needed actions. Another feature you can customize into the flowsheet is orders. The order will display in a row, and then the column will be added when you've saved an order. The status of the order displays in the field, and when chosen, the Orders Detail dialog from Orders Tracking opens. This allows you to review, document, and take any needed actions on the order. If you change the status in this area, it will update into your flowsheet. If your patient has any unsigned results, the unsigned results flowsheet will automatically be added to the flowsheet section of the patient's chart. You can access the results document and handle the sign-off process from this area if you wish. As results are signed off on within the various areas of PrimeSuite, like your unsigned documents and orders tracking, the results will be removed from the flowsheet. If a patient has no unsigned results, the flowsheet will not display within your flowsheet section. The chart menu bar features a section link to the results page. This section of the chart gives you an additional way to view test results data for the patient beyond your documents and orders tracking. When you click on Results, the Results page loads. Choose a result name in the list, and it loads the results history. If you need to edit a result, click on the appropriate field and make your changes. You can also click on the Results document link to view the corresponding lab document. The specimen icon allows you to enter a new result, order, and order set from the dialog. To display the results in a graph, click the graph icon and right-click if you need to print. Clicking on the results name links you to the Vocabulary Admin results term definition, only if you have the rights. The action bar gives you several options for this page. Click Results category if you want to filter the view just to one category. If you need to enter new test results data for the patient, choose the appropriate method from the listing. Test result allows you to search by the test name and enter the results. If you need to add an order or an order set, both feature the same search functions as previously shown in the chart notes sections. The results entry fields display depending on the setups and vocabulary admin. The flow sheet section gives you another way of viewing and accessing the patient's flow sheets. Click the name to open a flow sheet. You can also add and remove flow sheets from this area. Depending on your user rights, the admin's link allows you to quickly access vocabulary and flowsheet admin. Lastly, the drop-down arrow next to results gives you a quick view of active flowsheets on the patient, and when chosen, opens the flowsheet.